What's up guys, in this video, let's go ahead and check out Primexbt's co-vesting or the copy trading feature. Just a quick reminder guys, I'm not a professional advisor, so let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, so Primexbt's landing page link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their co-vesting, and let's first understand the copy trading interface right here. So there are a lot of things that you could understand. It is very beneficial, especially for those that are relatively new, that are beginners in like crypto trading in general. And it also has an advantage for those professional traders because you can also earn from your trades as well. From the ones that follows you, you get a certain percentage out of that. This is copy trading. So copy trading main section. Let's go ahead and check out the ones for rating, because the rating page reflects the current ratings and core statistics of all public strategies. Here you can review any strategy you wish to follow and filter strategies by desired stats such as profit indicators, followers, equity, name, etc. So let's go ahead and check that one out. Alright, so when you start your copy trading guys, I would strongly suggest for you to choose rating, because that will show you the highest rated traders instead of the ones that has, or instead of it being random, right? Now let's go ahead and check out which one is a good trader to check. All right, so let's see Phoenix Adhera. He has follower equity of 79,964. Because I would strongly suggest that you check out those, because you don't want to follow like traders that are just trading like $100, $200, $300, because they're not fully invested into that amount of money. For this one, manager's equity is at 18,318, as you can see here, and the followers equity is at 79,964. You know, one thing I love about copy trading is that it helps you learn about strategies as well. I'm actually hoping that other exchanges or all exchanges would have the same exact thing. That way, you know, or for the beginners, they would have like an opportunity to at least not gamble. Have that good person or have a professional trader beside them doing the trades for them as well while learning the curves. And you would see here the profit distribution, guys. So increase your profits with COV membership. If you are on standard, which is the one that I am in, you get 60% from the equity that you invest. The platform gets 20% and the manager gets 20%. And as you go higher down higher up that membership, you know, you get more percentage out of your equity. And when you are on the elite, you get 75% of the one that you invest. 5% goes to the platform, and then 20% goes to the trader. Just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, this has an advantage on, this actually has a very good advantage on the beginners in terms of trading, but it also has a positive advantage on the professional trader as well, which you can, as you can see here, guys, you get 20% of the profit. If you are the professional trader, you get 20% of the profit from the revenue or the earnings that your followers invested. So, I mean, it has upsides for both the trader or the beginner trader and professional trader as well. So you have profitability here. You have strategy trading assets. See it there. And then profitability, 7 days. You have 30 days. So you have a lot of trading histories here that you could refer to. Because again, guys, when you are planning to, you know, start copy trading, you want to check out like the history or the portfolio of the person that you are going to be following, because you know you will like rely on the expertise of the one that you are going to be relying on the expertise of the one that you're going to follow, or the professional trader that you're going to be following. Okay, how you will be able to know what this 5 stars really mean. Now, stars are issued only if the total profit of a strategy is greater than 0%. So a strategy can receive up to 5 stars. A star being issued for meeting one of the following. So if you meet one of the followings, you get 1 star. If you meet another one, you get 2 stars, so on. So just that's how the stars are rated in here. Okay, so the manager's equity is more than or equal to 0.1 Bitcoin. That's 1 star. And then the second one is over the past 10 days, the number of trading days or presence of trading activity is greater than or equal to 2. And then for the third star, over the past 10 days, the margin usage did not exceed 60% and the trading volume was more than 0. And then for the last 30 days, the ratio of closed profitable positions comparison to closed unprofitable positions was at least 60 over 40% or 60-40. Okay, and the fifth star, so in order for you to get all 5 stars, the last one is over the past 30 days, the turnover has been greater than or equal to 10 Bitcoin. So if you get all of those, or if you satisfy all those requirements, then you get 5 stars. So if you miss 1, then you get 4. If you miss 2, you get 3, and so on. So that's how these stars are graded. You might be thinking or asking, how are these stars in there, right? So just hover your mouse over the star and then you'll get all the requirements for you to get each of the star. So, if I were you, I would strongly recommend that you settle for those that have 5 stars, because they are the ones that really know what they are doing. You can settle on the 4 stars. It's still up to you. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you do your own research. There are a lot of tutorials in our channel that you could watch, like the fundamentals of crypto trading. I would strongly suggest that you learn that first before indulging into trading itself. All right, guys, so I logged into my account and let's go ahead and check out one of the traders here in CopyTrade, and let's go ahead and follow one. So what I have is USDT. So you could see here different types or different tokens that the trader is using in terms of his trades, like this one. It's using BTC, so Bitcoin, COV, Bitcoin, USDT. So we could make use of this one. And this is also a 5-star trader. So let's go ahead and check on that. But they are actually, before doing that, there are 2 traders that are using USDT. So Glass Charts and Phoenix Anahera. One is $635 worth of equity or followers equity, and then another one is $75,256 US dollars of followers equity. So let's go ahead and choose the higher one. So let's go ahead and click on follow. Okay, so immediately it will show you COV membership. It's going to tell you what type of membership you have and how much profit sharing it will give you depending on the tier that you are in. So what I am in is standard, advanced, premium, and elite would give you a more or a higher profit share. But I would strongly suggest, guys, that when you are starting up and you would just like to test this one out, start with the standard first. And then from there, when you already got, the hang of it, you got a profit, then, you can go ahead and try out the higher tiers. Okay, so let's continue. You'll see here, okay, so you are about to follow the strategy of Phoenix Anahera. Please note that profit and loss settlements occur only once the following is stopped or strategy is closed. So wallet balance, the one that I have is $199.5 USDT. So I could go ahead and deposit more, but let's go ahead and max that one out. So 197.52475,247. So minimum amount, as you can see here, guys, is $50. Okay, so I'll put in all the amount that I have. So it's already deducting a certain amount from the balance that I have. So entry fee, and then it's 1%. So 1.97524,753. So that is your entry fee. So it's already immediately deducting that from your balance. Okay, so profit share, you can increase that again here, but we are at 60%. So let's go ahead and use that first. I click on the checkbox or I confirm that I have read and agreed the terms and conditions. Go ahead and click on follow, and boom, it's activated. So just as easy as that, you are already doing your copy trade. So you have current holdings, you have that activating. So you can go ahead and check on that on the follow or the portfolio part of the Primexbt. Hopefully that helps for you guys. Go ahead and check out Primexbt as well. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to click that like, put a comment on what other projects you would like us to create a video review on. And of course, don't forget to click that subscribe, click the bell, that way you'll be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.